How do affirmations work? That's the question people constantly ask. You're in for a treat if you're seeking advice on how to make it function well. You've learned that saying something 1,000 times will cause a change or manifestation. Incorrect. The method you use determines whether you succeed or fail. Due to this, I prefer to focus more on making sure it functions for you today. The first thing you could have learned about the law of attraction, or even if you just want to rewire your brain, was how to use affirmations. Despite several repeats, affirmations can have the opposite effect. Your time and effort will likely be wasted. I've been there before, so I understand how it feels. The fact is this: if you don't have any intentions when you speak, nothing you say matters. It really does matter how you phrase anything. When used properly, affirmations may be a powerful tool. Here are 3 quick fixes that will provide results right away. 1. Confidence. Utterly certain of what you're affirming. We frequently repeat things again in the hopes that the energy will accumulate or have an impact on our subconscious minds. A waste of time is the aimless firing of affirmations. After a time, you can't help but feel lethargic. Quality, not quantity, is what matters. Make sure you mean and feel every affirmation you make. 10 passionate affirmations will be more effective than 100 inert ones. Strong thoughts, feelings, and goals mixed with your words will hasten the process of manifestation. Consider your goals carefully and create sentences that speak to you. Here is a quick workout you could do. Take a solid posture, look yourself in the mirror, and firmly repeat your affirmations. There is a difference between confirming with your chest up and your body slouched. Speak more slowly and deeply because it conveys confidence. During affirmations, pay attention to these minuscule adjustments in posture and vocal intonation. It matters a lot how you really phrase it. Adjust it till it feels comfortable to you. 2. Consistency. Utilize affirmations often. While keeping up for a few days is nice, keeping up for a few weeks is preferable. It's comparable to a newbie going to the gym for the first time and quitting after just a week. Your muscles don't suddenly start to expand. After some time, affirmations become imprinted. A reasonable amount would be 3 to 5 times each day for at least 3 weeks. Your brain needs to be retrained to behave, think, and feel in a particular manner. To help you remember the optimal time to complete a task, schedule your day. We are easily caught up in life. You should program your phone to beep at the appropriate moment. Affirmations are most helpful shortly after you get up and right before you go to bed. 3. Walk the walk. Coordinating your actions and affirmations. People frequently contradict their statements, in my opinion. To act one way yet speak another. No new habit will develop if you can't support it. Action speaks louder than words, as the adage goes. It is crucial to consider your assertions and provide evidence to support them. I am aware that it can be difficult in a bad circumstance. When facing challenges, such as a financial problem, it is simple to revert to previous behaviors. An illustration would be if your friends invited you to dinner but you were on a very restricted budget. You want to join, but your pocketbook is begging you not to. Instead of responding badly, your best course of action is to decline the offer. Simply dine at home and get a quick snack at the restaurant if you must be there. Whatever prevents you from thinking in terms of shortage. You may achieve your objective by making baby moves in that direction. As you gain confidence, build up your affirmation in a way that makes sense to you. Try comparing the statement "I am a millionaire" with "I am making X amount of money" no matter what position you're in. One must unquestionably feel more intimate with you than the other. As you get more comfortable with a certain topic, start at the bottom and gradually move up. In affirmation, use the first person. In other words, use "I am" instead of "you are." Don't give up after getting only small results. Continue till you succeed in achieving your goal. Be tenacious. Keep your daily affirmations the same. Keep it to 1. Hopefully, these pointers have an impact on your daily affirmations. Ultimately, the goal of practicing affirmations is to embed them in your subconscious. You will undoubtedly be on the correct path to realizing your goals if you consistently put these important ideas into practice. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can catch all of the latest videos.